You wake up exhausted, reach for coffee, and tell yourself this is just how life is. But what if constant fatigue is not normal? What if it is your body's way of sending a vital warning? Millions of Americans push through daily exhaustion, blaming stress, work, or age. But chronic fatigue is not laziness. It is your body quietly waving a red flag, slowing down systems, and trying to protect you from the relentless pressure you ignore. Fatigue is often your body's emergency brake. Low energy can appear years before burnout, hormone crashes, or serious illness. By the time collapse happens, the warnings were already there, asking you to pay attention before things get worse. How often have you blamed yourself, feeling weak or broken? But your body is not failing you, it is fighting for you. Every wave of exhaustion is a message saying, please listen. I am carrying more than you think. There is hope. Your body is intelligent and resilient. With rest, proper nutrition, stress management, and quality sleep, energy can return. Listening to your body now can restore your health and save you from pain later.